Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit Insta Love filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. Let's get started. Go to Light. Adjust the exposure to plus 0.87. Contrast to -9. Highlights to -24. Shadows to -2. Whites to -15. Blacks to +7. Go to curve. Follow these steps. Done. Go to color. Temperature to +17. Tint to +7. Vibrance to +9. Saturation to -30. Go to color mix. First go to color red. Hue to -2. Saturation to +36. Luminance to -50. Go to orange. Saturation to +29. Luminance to -31. Go to yellow. Hue to +33. Saturation to -38. Luminance to -7. Go to green. Hue to +14. Saturation to +14. Luminance to -41. Go to cyan. Saturation to -38. Luminance to +47. Go to blue. Hue to -53. Saturation to -45. Luminance to -2. Go to violet. Hue to plus 100. Saturation to plus 20. Luminance to minus 31. Go to magenta. Hue to plus 98. Saturation to plus 18. Luminance to minus 27. Done. Next go to Effects. Clarity to plus 7. Dehaz to plus 7. Go to Split Tone. Bring Hue to 229 and Saturation to 16 for shadows. Done. Go to Detail. Sharpening to 39. Noise reduction to 15. Color noise reduction to 24. And done. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy settings. Paste settings. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.